That's banana toffee.
I love banana toffee.
Alright. For that, first we need to make a batter.
Okay.
However, I have already made the batter here. In case you are making the batter instantly, the moment you want to make it,
Right.
then you add equal ratio of corn flour and flour,
Okay.
and you add a pinch of baking powder, right? In case you make it 4 or 5 hours in advance,
Right.
then you do not need to add baking powder. So this is what I've made about 5 hours in advance.
Right.
This is just corn flour and refined flour.
So
mixed
equal
together.
parts of corn flour, equal parts of maida,
Right.
and then you get this consistency.
By adding water,
By adding
you need to
water.
check the consistency.
And we need bananas for this.
Yes. The oil is hot. You need to hold the banana. I'll just.
So we need ripe bananas for this.
Yes.
Okay.
And in fact, in case you're fond of apples, you can do it with apples
Okay.
or pears. There's no limit to your creation in this.
So any fruit except watermelon and melon and oranges,
for
right?
sure.
Okay.
Here, it's equally coated into the oil.
So is this also done on high heat?
Yes.
Okay. Now we just need to fry this till it is golden brown.
Yes. We're doing it on a high heat because we want the outer crust to be crunchy, and that's why we add corn flour as well.
Right. So chef, now this dessert, is it served hot right off the pan or is it served cold?
Yes, this dessert needs to be served cold.
Okay.
I'll show you how.
I think I have an idea. You have iced cold water here.
Yeah.
And that's where you're going to put this, right?
Exactly. Not now. First I'll coat this. We'll make the toffee sauce. I'll coat that into toffee sauce and then in the iced water. Put it on a plate and see the rest.
So what's the science behind it?
We are making the toffee sauce or the caramel.
Right.
Now, when I coat it with the caramel sauce, I have to put it in chilled water. So it becomes all the more crispy
Crunchy.
and crunchy.
Okay.
Alright?
Right.
Now we're making caramel sauce. I'm just heating up the pan. I'll be needing sugar for that.
Okay.
About 100 grams of sugar goes into the pan. This would be 100 grams.
Okay.
Right? A little bit of water which I have here.
Right.
Just a little bit, a teaspoon maybe.
Okay. That's it.
That's it. Now we have to melt the sugar.
Right.
Now we have to stir it continuously so that the sugar doesn't stick to the pan, or when the sauce is made it will not get burnt. Yeah. Now you see this sugar going away, we'll add some honey and some sesame seed all together because sesame seed is already toasted.
Right.
Can I have the honey?
Honey. Now how much honey goes into this?
Just a teaspoon of it so that it gives a sheen. The sugar doesn't caramelize.
Okay.
Sesame seeds. Now the caramel sauce is ready.
Right.
You see golden brown color. Now time to add bananas to it. Bananas. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now begins the tossing part. Again on high heat. Here you go. You see the sugar is coated. Put this in the ice water. Can you smell caramel?
Yes, I can. Okay, now chef, I can't wait. Let's take this out.
Ready for the plating part. You can feel how hard it is now.
Yes, it's just become really toffied.
Drain it off with the water onto the plate.
It almost has this toffee crunch, like a pebble it's hitting the plate.
Yes, that's the caramel.
Right.
So here it is, ready. You can enjoy with an ice cream